Hello, good afternoon friends. I welcome all of you on the occasion of Hindustan Mela 10-10-20. Friends, on this special Auspicious Day, I am happy to announce that we have started a new venture named on the banner website www.guruschoolonline.com. Today, we are going to inaugurate this website. Friends, due to COVID-19, most of the employers, corporates, industrials has removed their staffs, and ultimately most of the employees also lost their jobs. But now the situation has been changed. The unlock process has been started, and becoming a need of the time that again the corporate needs better staff and better skilled employees for their business. And also employees who already lost their jobs, they are also in search of jobs in various corporates and industries. So considering the immense need of present situation, we have started our new venture www.guruschoolonline.com. This is a job portal as well as placement services website. Candidates can upload their resumes by logging on these websites, and corporates and employers also can log in and put their requirements. The specialty of guruschoolonline.com is that our back office and HR team, they are interacting with corporates, HR heads and all the business heads, and according to their requirement, our HR team scrutinizes the existing candidates' job profile, their skill, their experience, and accordingly they are giving the right candidate to right place. Our previous experience shows that whoever we have sent for the interviews, they are getting selected and they are doing a well job in their employment. Our corporates are also happy, and the candidates which we have provided them, they are functioning well and both are happy. Apart from this job portal, guruschoolonline.com provides online training on various subjects and various, just like career skill development, personal development, interview technique, stress management, anger management, emotional quotients. Nowadays, very necessary that you need the skill, qualification, experience is necessary, but the skill is very compulsory, and we are here to provide the skill to that candidates. Not only online training courses, guruschoolonline.com organizes social and corporate events. We also do promote social and corporate events and products in the market. We do have other services of educational level as well as academic level. On this auspicious day, we have invited chief guest, headhunter Girish Pihar sir. According to my knowledge, there is no need to introduce Girish Tilak sir rather than headhunter, because headhunter is the best one to introduce Girish Tilak sir. I also thanks to Varta Sanket team that they availed this opportunity to launch my new business ventures website. I also advance thanks to Girish Tilak sir that he is inaugurating our website. May I request Girish Tilak sir to inaugurate our website www.guruschoolonline.com. I also request all of you to go through my website, have a look, and if required, put your requirements about the stuff. I also request and invite all on the Facebook, social media, and other media who are watching these live programs, and those candidates who needs the jobs, they may also log in to my website and upload their resumes. I assure that my back office team will interact all of you and they will give the best opportunity to have the right job. Thanks, friends.
Thank you so much, sir. And today is a grand launch of this website by our guest, Mr. Girish Tilak sir. So now I would request our guest, Mr. Girish Tilak sir, to please inaugurate this wonderful website and request him to say a few words. Before that, I would like to introduce our special guest today, Resume. खरं तर नावातच सगळं काही आहे असं म्हणायला हरकत नाही. रेझ्युमे मॅनेजमेंट कन्सल्टंट्स प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेडचे डायरेक्टर आहेत सर, आणि 1995 ला त्यांनी हे सुरू केलं. Prior to this, he worked into commercial functions of renowned organizations like Hotel Corporation of India, Centaur Hotel, UTV Limited, Boehringer Mahim Limited, Sigma Laboratories Limited, अशा खूप वेगवेगळ्या संस्थांमध्ये सरांनी काम केलेलं आहे. आणि ॲज वी ऑल नो, असं म्हणतात की आपल्या भारताकडे खूप चांगलं टॅलेंट आहे, पण ते टॅलेंट कुठे आहे आणि ते कसं शोधायचं, हा जर प्रश्न आपल्याला पडत असेल तर मला असं वाटतं की त्याचं उत्तर आहे श्री गिरीश टिळक सर. सर इज अ स्ट्रॉंग नेटवर्कर आणि खूप वेगवेगळ्या इव्हेंट्स द्वारे ते नेटवर्किंग करत असतात. त्यांचं पुस्तक हेड हंटर, हे जे त्यांचं पुस्तक आहे ते अतिशय प्रसिद्ध आहे. प्रसिद्ध लेखक सुमेध वडावाला यांनी त्यांच्यावर हे लिहिलेलं पुस्तक आहे हेड हंटर, आणि ते खरोखरच हेड हंटर आहेत. रादर मी म्हणेन ब्रेन हंटर आहेत असं म्हटलं तरी वावगं ठरणार नाही, कारण भारतातलं आपल्याकडचं जे जे काही टॅलेंट आहे तर ते शोधण्यामध्ये सरांचा एक अतिशय महत्वाचा असा सहभाग आहे. His major forte being headhunting over the last 2 decades at Resume. Girish sir has traveled all around the globe for conducting a wide range of headhunting, executive search in the areas of manufacturing, financial services, healthcare, as well as infrastructure sectors. On the social canvas, he helps students in career planning, counseling. He delivers lectures in various educational institutes and social organizations. He is ex-secretary of Saturday Club Global Trust, an organization which promotes the mantra of entrepreneurship in Maharashtrian community. He regularly takes networking sessions for entrepreneurs. He is the managing committee member of Dombivli Granth Sangrahalaya, that is public library. So I would request Shri Girish Tilak sir to say a few words, share his views on this occasion.
Good evening all. I know you cannot respond me. Everybody is on mute, but quite a lot of familiar faces in the virtual world in front of me. So hi to all, and my best friends from Dombivli, Dipti and Chandan, to all. And it's my pleasure to announce that the Guru School website is launched, and I wish all the success to dynamic Mr. Vivek Mahajan and the kind of support he is getting from his entire family in his journey of last 25-30 years. In fact, when we met and he shared the way he has worked through in his career right from the scratch and how he has built up everything from the scratch, it was a learning process for me also, the time spending along with him. And he will be doing a very good job in getting the right candidates for the good companies. And though we are going to be in the similar business, but I don't believe in the competition. So we always will remain as a friends. And if I can be of any help to anybody out of you in your business expansions or networking, I'm always available. That everybody knows that I don't have to tell that you are welcome to connect with me. I'm always a phone call away for all my friends. So wish you all the success for this Mahamela. This is very innovative thing. Dr. Amit and Rachana and thing, etc. is doing, and many more such events should happen. And I'm sure in another shorter minute we will be out of all these things. Thank you.
थँक्यू सो मच सर.
Thank you.
आपण आता सध्या गुरु स्कूल ची वेबसाईट बघतोय, आपण आपल्या स्क्रीनवर बघतोय. आणि जसं सरांनी सांगितलं की आपण लवकरच ही जी सगळी सिच्युएशन आहे, कोविडची सिच्युएशन आहे, त्याच्यातून आपण लवकरच बाहेर पडू आणि नक्कीच एक उद्याचं चांगलं अवकाश, उद्याचं एक छान भविष्य आपल्या सगळ्यांसाठीच आपल्याला खुणावतंय. आणि त्यासाठी डेफिनेटली गुरु स्कूल एंटरप्राइजेस आहेत, तर तिथे आपण जॉब प्लेसमेंट जे आहे ते आपण बघू शकतो. आउटस्टँडिंग जॉब प्लेसमेंट आहे गुरु स्कूल एंटरप्राइजेस.